Malcolm X was one of the most influential figures of the civil rights movement. Born Malcolm Little in 1925, he experienced racial injustice from a young age. After a turbulent youth, he found purpose in the Nation of Islam, rejecting what he saw as his slave name and becoming Malcolm X. Charismatic and unafraid to challenge the status quo, Malcolm X encouraged Black Americans to demand their rights, quote, by any means necessary. His bold stance sparked debate about the best strategies for racial equality. A turning point came when Malcolm made his pilgrimage to Mecca in 1964. There, he witnessed people of all races worshiping side by side, inspiring him to embrace a message of unity and harmony. On February 21, 1965, Malcolm X was assassinated in New York City. Though his life was cut short, his influence endures. Malcolm X's legacy is one of inspiration, leadership, and unwavering commitment to freedom, an enduring spark for change.